Hi, it's Rachel, and welcome to Instructional Insights. Today we'll be talking about checking accessibility. When I created this job aid in Canva, it was not enough to check the accessibility in Canva only. I was able to check it, just like I'm showing you now, and everything seemed okay except the alt text. It was flagging these gray boxes and orange boxes as no alt text. Well, I know that that's not necessary to have alt text because they're decorative. I'm still going to need to fix this situation. I'm not going to be able to do it here in Canva. I'm going to deal with the accessibility of this document once I download it. So I download in the PDF and wait for it to be ready. There it is, but I'm going to open it in Adobe PDF Pro. Okay, here it is. And now that this design has been brought into Adobe PDF Pro, I need to check and fix all of the accessibility issues. So I go down to the tools until I find my accessibility checker. I'm going to go ahead and just check for accessibility first. And it gives me some issues here. So I've got two document issues. I have to check the reading order and the color contrast manually. And then I have these alt text problems. So I know the color contrast is fine, so let me just manually okay that. Logical reading order, I need to fix that. So let's just take a look. Fix the reading order. I'm going to show the reading panel. Okay, this is where the problems come in. So as you can see, there are quite a few problems here in the accessibility. If a screen reader were to read this, it's completely out of order. It's reading the gray boxes. It's not right. So 1 is correct, 2 is correct, 3 and 4 are mixed up, and 17 should not exist. So we have, a lot of problems here. And again, it's flagging these boxes as figures, as pictures and images, and we don't want that to happen. So there's a couple of different ways that we can go about fixing this. We can actually just delete these figures completely. So 17 was this gray box back here, and I was able to just delete that one. Now 17 is this gray box, so let me go ahead and delete it. So if I were to go to the bottom and just delete 19, 18, and 17, now all of these decorative boxes are not showing up for the screen reader. But we still have an order problem. So I want these to read in order with the screen reader. So I'm just going to change the order. So we've got 1 that's correct, 2 is correct, 3 should be 4, and 4 should be 3. So I just drag that. Same with 5 and 6. We want it to read 5 first and then read 6. 4, 9, and 10, read 9 and 10. Same with color use. We want that to come first. So I'm just dragging these up and fixing the reading order. Spacing and layout should come first. Color contrast should come first. So now it's 7, 8, and these are out of order. 5, 6, 8, 10, 7, 9. I need to fix that. So 5, 6, spacing and layout should be 7. This one, which is 10, should be 8. Then there's 9, 10, 11, 12. And we need to fix 13 and 14. So 14 should be 13. and 15 should be opposite. Okay, now it's showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16, and that is correct. Okay, so now that the reading order has been fixed, let's save this and let's take a look at it again. Check for accessibility. And now we have one issue here. The logical reading order needs checked manually, which we just did. So I'm going to fix that. Okay, I passed it. So now there's no problems there. The alt text is still showing failed, so one issue. So this is a tagged PDF problem. So what we need to do is look for automatically tag, confirm, see what happens. Okay, so even though they were numbered correctly, we need to make sure that everything is labeled correctly. So heading 1 is correct. This should be heading 2. So this is heading 2, but this next heading 2 should be a heading 3. And then this is your list. So heading 2 here, we're just going to manually change this to heading 3. And we're just checking that that's a list. Here's a section. This should be a heading 3. This is a list. And this needs to be a heading 3. List. And heading 3. Come on. Okay. List. And the final section. This should be a heading 3 and a list. Okay, let's save this. Go back to our accessibility checker, start checking. Right, so it's still saying alt text is failed. Figures are failing. Let's fix this. Okay, when we click to fix, we're going to just click decorative image for every single one of these. Because we already have the text itself that's being tagged as different headers and is in the logical reading order. So what it's doing here is it has tagged all of the bullet points as images. There's 24 bullet points, so we are marking 24 different figures as decorative images so that they will not show up on the screen reader. Save and close. Okay, now all of everything has passed. This is the 2 that we've already checked, so we're just going to pass these. And we're good to go. Save. And this document is now accessible.